Healthy Vegan Living Podcast, Episode 79 NaNoPodMo Day Number 5 Vegucated. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, your daily dose of plant-based wisdom, with your hosts, Gary the Guru and fun-loving Samantha.
Hey there, veggie lovers. I'm Gary, the brains behind this operation, and with me is my trusty co-host, Samantha.
Hi everyone. It's day number 5 of NaNoPodMo, and today we're getting Vegucated. No, we're not talking about a new vegan university, although that would be amazing. We're diving into the documentary that's been turning meat eaters into beet-eaters.
Good one, Samantha. Vegucated is like a scared straight program, but for the diet. Instead of prison, it shows you factory farms. This is a movie that changed it for me and started my vegan adventure.
Exactly. It's a real eye-opener. Now, let's break down some pros and cons of this veggie-powered adventure. First up, the pros. 1. It follows real people on their journey to veganism, making it relatable and engaging. 2. The film balances humor with serious information about animal welfare and health. 3. It addresses common concerns and misconceptions about veganism.
And now for the cons. 1. Some viewers might find the participants transitioning too quick and unrealistic. 2. The film has been criticized for not delving deep enough into some issues it raises. 3. It might be too lighthearted for those looking for a more serious documentary.
Yeah, it's not exactly The Silence of the Lambs, which, by the way, is a great title for a vegan documentary.
Oh, Samantha, you're on fire today. So did we enjoy the movie? I'd say it was enjoyable as finding out your favorite cookie aren't accidentally vegan.
Absolutely. It's like a gateway drug to veganism. You start with Vegucated, and next thing you know, you're growing your own sprouts and naming your houseplants.
Remember, folks, going vegan doesn't mean you'll suddenly start photosynthesizing. You still need to eat.
Right you are, Gary. And if anyone tells you vegans can't be funny, just show them this podcast. We're living proof that you can be plant-based and still be nuts.
Oh, Samantha. All right, veggie lovers, that's our take on Vegucated. Remember, we're here every day for the month of NaNoPodMo, bringing you the best of vegan living.
That's right. So keep those veggies coming, and remember, in the game of life, always choose to be a fruit, not a vegetable.
I don't even know what that means, Samantha. Until next time, stay healthy and stay vegan.
Please tune in to our next episode, 80 NaNoPodMo Day Number 6. The movie Peaceable Kingdom. Thanks so much for tuning into the podcast. Our podcast's intro and outro music is Beautiful Days by Darren Birch.